Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to download and install DHgate app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. At bottom you'll be able to find several icons over here. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Now what you have to do is type in DHgate over here, search for it. Now you'll be able to find various results over here. Find the application for DHgate and tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find the information regarding DHgate applications over here. Also, you'll be able to find the ratings and reviews. So DHgate application is basically a mobile platform for accessing the DHgate wholesale marketplace. So if you want to install this application, simply tap on the install option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now wait for a while. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a while. Now after a while you can see over here DHgate application will be installed. You can open it in order to use it. So like this you'll be able to download and install the DHgate app. So that is how you download and install DHgate app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.